Every year, thousands of people waste hours on survey sites that promise cash but never deliver. And honestly, 2025 has been no different. But after digging through dozens of platforms, I have found 8 survey sites that are still legit, still paying, and still worth your time as we close out the year. And one quick heads up before we start, I am not saying this will replace your job. But if you manage your time well, you can definitely stack up a few dollars a day and over a month, and that adds up more than most people think. Alright, let's get into it. The first one is called Ash. We are kicking things off with Ash, like a newer GPT site that's already gaining a lot of attention. Why? Because it is available in dozens of countries, not just the US, but also India, South Africa, Indonesia, Canada, the Philippines, and more. And signing up is super quick, literally 30 seconds with just email. Surveys here usually pay between 0.20 cents and $3 to $4. But here is the clever part. Ash has a star rating system where others users rate how good or bad a survey was, meaning you can skip the ones with high disqualification rates and save them. And it doesn't stop at surveys. After completing just 5 surveys, you unlock the offer wall, which includes paid app downloads, fun mobile game tasks, sometimes paying between $10 to $100, and even shopping offers. They've gamified things too. So there's daily leaderboard with over $100 in bonuses. There's strict rewards if you log in daily for a week. There's level up bonuses as you keep earning. Cash out is super flexible. First cash out is $5. They pay via PayPal, Venmo, Revolut, donations, or over 100 gift cards. After that, some rewards are just $100. That's honestly one of the lowest thresholds in this space. So if you are looking for a globally available low barrier survey site, Ash is worth checking out. Number 2 is 5 surveys, and it is exactly what the name says, straightforward. Unlike other sites that use confusing point system, here it is simple. $1 per survey. No coins, no conversion, just $1 each. This is currently available in North America, the UK, Australia, and Germany, with plans to expand further. The design is clean, user-friendly, and they even have mobile apps for both iOS and Android. Rewards include PayPal, bank transfers, and 100 plus gift card options, which is Amazon, Best Buy, Uber Eats, etc. Now, yes, disqualification happens here too. That's just the reality with surveys, but the clear $1 per survey rate makes it easy to cherry pick the faster ones so you can maximize what you earn per hour. If you like simplicity and don't want to deal with points or tokens, 5 surveys deliver exactly that. Number 3 is SurveyU. This one is a big win for people outside the US. SurveyU is available in over 110 countries, which is huge compared to most survey platforms. So whether you are in South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, India, or the Philippines, you can join and start earning. Surveys range from pennies to $2 to $3, pretty standard. You can cash out through PayPal or gift card. The only catch, the payout threshold is $20 equivalent, which is higher than average. So it will take a bit longer before you can withdraw. But for international earners who often get left out of survey opportunities, SurveyU is one of the most inclusive options out there. Moving on to number 4, this is called branded surveys. Now, if you live in the US, UK, or Canada, you have probably heard of branded surveys, and it is still one of the top players in 2025. New members get a 100 points, that's $1 bonus, just for completing their profile. Surveys pay competitively, the dashboard is smooth, and you only need $5 to cash out via PayPal, gift cards, or even donations. But here is what really makes branded surveys stand out: the loyalty program. It is called Branded Elite, and it rewards consistent users with weekly bonus points. There is bronze tier, which is 5% boost. There is silver tier, which is 12% boost, and there is gold tier, which is 19% boost. That means if you are serious about surveys and take them daily, you can almost earn 20% more without extra effort. So for regular survey takers, branded surveys is one of the best long-term picks. Number 5 is Prime Opinion. This one is kind of a hidden gem. Prime Opinion is available in dozens of countries that has both web and mobile versions. The interface is fast, modern, and less glitchy compared to some competitors. Surveys pay from 10 cents to a few dollars, and disqualification rates tend to be lower here than on some other platforms. Cash out starts at $5 with PayPal or gift card like Amazon, Target, Starbucks, and Walmart. Plus, like Ash, they've added strict bonuses and leaderboards to keep things engaging. So if you want something smooth, globally available, and quick to pay, Prime Opinion is definitely worth exporting your 2025 rating. Now, number 6 is Free Cash. Now, this is where surveys meet variety. Free Cash isn't just a survey site, it's a full GPT platform with 100 plus earning opportunities, including gaming, app downloads, shopping offers, watching videos, and free trials. They even give new users a shot at a $250 sweepstake when signing up. Surveys themselves are okay, not industry leading, but the offer wall is where Free Cash shines. Some mobile game offers pay between $50 to $200 if you reach certain levels. Rewards are also unique. PayPal, crypto, gift cards, and even in-game rewards like skins. Minimum cash out is just $5, and payouts are super fast. So if you like variety and want more than just service, Free Cash gives you tons of ways to earn. Moving on to number 7. This is called Survey Junkie, and Survey Junkie has been around for years. But 2025 brought some upgrades. They revamped their design, making it cleaner and easier to use. Surveys typically pay 15 cents to $3. They also have a solid mobile app plus a desktop extension called Soft2Hand that can boost your payouts by up to 50%. Cash out starts at $5 with PayPal or gift cards to big retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and Walmart. It's not flashy, no gaming offers or cashback shopping. But if you want a straightforward, effective survey site, Survey Junkie is still one of the best. Now, number 8, which is the last but not the least, is called Prolific. This one is a bit different. It leans more towards academic and market research rather than casual surveys. So here's the standouts. Researchers on Prolific are required to pay a minimum of $8 per hour to participants. Many studies even pay more. So if you see a 30-minute survey, that's at least $4 guaranteed. If it is an hour, that's at least $8 guaranteed. That's a much higher hourly rate than most survey sites. The trade-off, signing up takes longer. The profile questionnaire can take 20 to 30 minutes. And depending on where you live, you might not always get frequent invites. But if you only have limited time and want to make the most per hour, Prolific is hands down one of the best platforms. So there you have it, 8 of the best survey sites to check out in 2025. Quick reminder, surveys won't make you rich. On average, you might earn $2 to $4 per hour, and with Prolific, maybe up to $8 per hour. But if you stack a few surveys each day while watching TV or on your lunch break, you could be looking at $20 to $100 extra per month. And in many parts of the world, that's actually really helpful money. My advice, pick 2 or 3 of these platforms that fit your location and style and focus on them consistently. That is how you see steady results. So if you find this breakdown helpful, hit that like button so YouTube knows to share it with more people, and subscribe if you want more honest guides on legit online earning opportunities.